Hi, my name is Steve, and today I'm going to test a strategy using two indicators. We've got three moving averages, 9, 20 and 50 on a 1 hour time frame, and also we are adding the stochastic indicator with the default settings. I think it is 14, 3 and 3. Let's have a look at the chart and I'll go over this quickly with you. So here we have the three moving averages set up, and what we're actually looking for our trade is something similar to this. There's a pullback to the moving averages, and also we want the stochastic to be down near the lower level, in this case for a long. It doesn't have to cross the level, it can just be a pullback, and then when the lines cross over here and start to go back up again, we're looking at entering the trade, and the opposite for a short trade as well. Okay, let's get started. We're going to risk 1%, and we are going for 1.5R, so we're risking 1% to make 1.5% per trade. We're trying to pass a prop firm challenge with this one, so we're aiming for a target of 10%, and we don't want to lose as much as 10% as well. And we'll only probably take one trade in a day. I don't think there'll be an opportunity for two, but if there is, we will take it, but usually there's only one trade per day. And you can see that by the actual chart at the moment. You can see here that in between these lines represents 1 day on the 1 hour chart, and we can see here there's only really one pullback to the moving averages and then a close below, so this would actually be an entry. Let's see, 25 pips, and yes, that would have actually been a profiting trade. So let's go through the trades now, and I'll show you the first couple, then I will pause the video while I skip through to the end and show you the final results. Sideways motion like this, we're just going to ignore that and wait for a little bit of movement into one direction, and also watching the stochastic to go somewhere near overbought or oversold. Okay, we can see here stochastic is oversold and it's starting to turn. So we'll put an order on here for this one. So this is a 30 pip stop loss, which will give us about a 45 pip take profit. And looks like the first one might hit the stop loss. Yes, there it is. So the first one was actually a loss, but not a problem. This is a bit of a long run. We could be looking at a couple of weeks before we actually hit our target, but let's see how we go. So far we've had one win and one loss, so we're up slightly already. Well, we've had 2 losses and 2 wins, which has put us slightly into profit. We're up by 0.88% at the moment, so not quite 1%. Keep going. Now just looking at our equity chart here, you can see we actually had a few consecutive wins here and a few losses. And at the moment we've got an 8.23% balance. So on a 10k account we made $823. And I just wanted to record this last trade here. It looks like we've got a really good setup here. We have a pullback to the moving averages, and it looks like it's going to bounce here from the 9 and the 20 moving average to go short. The stochastic is in the overbought position, so we're looking for a sell trade. So this would be our setup here. Stop loss is, it's only about 16 or 17 pips, so I'm actually going to set it for 20 pips, and we'll go for a 2R on the last trade, because I think we're going to probably go possibly down to at least this level or more. So see how we go. Okay, we almost got stopped out there with a retracement, but it did actually hit our take profit. So this actually has now reached $11,000. So we've made a 10% profit, 10.41%. And we have achieved our target, which we were aiming for a 10% profit to pass a prop firm challenge. So let's have a look at how many trades it actually took to do this. So we've got here 15 closed trades, and looking at the statistics, we have 10 wins and 5 losses. So just grab the calculator to see what this comes to percentage wise. We do 10 divided by 15 times 100 equals 66.66% win rate. So that's actually a pretty good win rate. We've got a profit factor of 2.97, which is really good as well. So that's pretty much it. We've actually reached our target. Done for today. Try this strategy for yourself. I am also thinking I might actually try this on a live prop firm challenge to see how it goes actually doing a live trade, and it'd be great if you could do the same either on a demo account or a prop firm challenge. Try this same strategy. The one difference with doing this on a prop firm challenge is I would do this with 28 pairs and look for the best setup each day to take, so I don't actually have to wait for one pair to give me one setup per day. We've got 28 pairs to look at, and we can take the best looking setup each day. My trading time starting at London Open, that's the best hours for me, so that's when I'll actually be doing my trade. So leave a comment below, let me know if you have done the same trades, trade setup anyway, with the stochastic and the 3 moving averages, and what your results are, if it's anywhere near 66%, or if it's more like 30% or 50%, it'll be great to find out from you as well. Thanks very much. Have a good day.